In today's video, I will put you through on how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Kali Linux PC. Let's just get right into it. First is to launch your default web browser. Look at Firefox here, so click on it. As the browser opens, visit google.com. I like using it to search. Once the google.com page opens, click inside the search box and type Microsoft Edge browser. Alright, after typing that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Alright, you're presented with some options, but our interest is on this one, download Microsoft Edge, Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Alright, so click on this first option. Okay, once you're taken to this page, you will see for Windows, for Mac OS, for iOS, and for Android. Scroll down. You can see this section say Microsoft Edge is available on Linux. Download for Linux. All right. So click on this link. All right. You're taken to this page stating all the terms and the conditions. We don't have time for that. So click on accept and download. So this file will be downloaded in short time. So give it time for it to finish downloading into your PC. All right. The file is done downloading into my PC right now. So let's begin with the installation. Take your cursor to this part, all right, of your Kali Linux machine where you have Kali, home Kali, okay? Click there and select open folder. Now, click on the downloads folder, which is one of the major folders on the Linux machine. Okay, you will see the file you just installed, which is this one, all right? So before we start, what you need to do is to copy this. We need to copy this because we're going to use it. So click on the file, right click and select the rename option. Okay, so I'll click here, Control A to select everything, Control C to copy. I will cancel it. Okay, click on cancel. I have copied this. So click on this again, right click, and then select the option to open terminal here. Okay, so select this option. This will open your terminal emulator, all right? So there are few codes you have to run here. So type this sudo apt install, okay? Space dot forward slash. Then that file we copied, it's time for us to paste it. So I will right click here and then I will select paste clipboard, okay? All right, you can see the file name has been placed here. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Then it requests for my password. I will type it. When you are typing a password, it's not going to be showing on the screen. So once you press the keys correctly, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So I will hold on for the installation to be completed. Okay, here the application has been installed. So let's check out to know if it's really here on this Kali Linux machine. Take your cursor to this icon, this Kali Linux icon, and click. Then you'll be provided with with this option to search an application. So in this case, we are going to search for Microsoft Edge. And look at this here. So we have successfully installed it. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so some IT tips. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.